Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can hide your number on your Sony Xperia 5 Mark V. For that you want to go to your phone icon and then go to these three little dots, go to settings, and now you want to go to calling accounts, click on your provider, go to additional settings, and then you click on caller ID. And right now it's set to network default and we want to say hide number, so number hidden in outgoing calls. When this is on, your number won't be shown on the device you're calling. That's pretty nice if you want to surprise someone, or well, useful if you want to prank someone or stuff like that. So that's what you can turn on, and if you want to change that again, just need to click on it, network default, use default operator settings to display my number in outgoing calls. Then you can go back and either your number is hidden or shown on the device you're calling after you made your settings here. So that's how you can hide your number on your Sony Xperia 5 Mark V. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.